Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do reading for water sign Cancer, and this reading is from August 1st to August 10th. So let's see your messages for you Cancer. What's the messages for you Cancer? You or your person could be Pisces. I think you stand by your power Cancer, definitely, because Queen of Wands is here, and the moon, something your person is hide something from you hiding, and lot of fire energy. You or your person could be Aries, Leo, Sag. You are going to be success in the month of August. 6 of Wands is here and 7 of Wands is here. You don't want to give up at any cost in any area of your life, because success is yours. So even there are obstacles in this connection or whatever in your life right now, they are going to be removed because the success is here. You stand by your power, definitely, instead of the relationships, whatever. So let's see more messages for you Cancer. Wow, 2 of Cups. You both love each other. Wow, strong soulmate and past life connection. A lot of passion between both of you. The Empress. Justice. For some who are in separation, someone is coming from your past for reconciliation, because you both have strong soulmate connection with each other. And the Empress, I think you stand by your power Cancer, and your person could be Libra or Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. They are asking for second chance. Definitely it's up to you to give a second chance to your person or not. It's completely up to you, because you both have strong connection, but there is something hiding. Your person is hiding something from you. Queen of Swords, 6 of Pentacles, Strength 2 times, 7 of Cups. Yes, you stand by your power, whatever, and there is no equal give and take in this connection. That's the issue I am getting, because Queen of Swords, you are very clear about what you want or what you don't want. That's why, because you decided to tell your person, if you offer this, I will be there, if not, I will be not there anymore. You made decision. I think your person have options, or you are have options in your life. So let's pull from another deck some more messages for you Cancer. Inner voice. You are listening to your inner voice. Maturity. Wow. Transforming. The Rebel. Emperor. You are in masculine energy Cancer. If you are a woman, then you are in masculine energy. Energy doesn't matter men or women. And completion. What some cycles are going to be end. Yes, definitely you are very powerful in the month of August. So what you are willing to do, that's going to be successful in the month of August, because 6 of Wands is here, and you are stand by your power, definitely, because the Empress and the Strength and the Emperor, and some cycles are going to be end. So let's see your person energy towards you, what they are willing to do. 2 of Swords, they are at some crossroads. Stress, 7 of Wands. The Dream, 6 of Cups. Strong soulmate connection, past life connection. Moment to moment. 2 of Pentacles, they are juggling. That's why you are leaving, because they are juggling between two things, or two persons, or between the career and you, whatever. This juggling make you very irritating, and I think That's the issue, because they are not giving as much as you. uh, so they are also feeling stress, like you are stand by your power, you are not investing as much as now. In past you invest more than your person. Moment to moment, the dream your person also dreaming about you, but they are feeling very stress without you, and they are trying to come towards you, but it's your wish, because 2 of cups and 6 of cups, 2 times reconciliation. So they will definitely come for reconciliation. It's up to you to give a chance for your person or not. And under the deck is a traveling 8 of wands. Communication, definitely will get receive communication from your person. So it's your choice to accept your person offer or not. But this is very very powerful month to you, because lot of strength cards and lot of empress. You stand by your power, because queen of wands is here, fire energy. So what you will going to do, wishing it is going to be 100% success in this month. So go for it, concentrating on your goals, whatever you are wishing for. So Cancer, this is the reading for you. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel. Please do support me guys. Bye.